Hey everyone, okay, so do you know I can still remember the very first day I uploaded a video. The purpose was to show you that makeup wasn't art, and I wanted to show women everywhere, no matter your age, that you can look and feel amazing with just a few simple steps. You see, I'm not an artistic person, so if I could do makeup, then you can do makeup. Now back then, 16 years ago, the views just poured in and comments lit up the screen. And as silly as it sounds, it felt like I was changing lives. But lately, things have really shifted. The algorithm plays favorites. And your favorite beauty gurus, myself included, I hope, are struggling. Views trickle now instead of flood. It's tough out here in the beauty community. It is oversaturated and has been overcomplicated by drama. You are literally pouring your heart into tutorials, reviews, transformations, and in truth, sometimes it just feels like no one is watching. Now trust me, we are all going through it, with the majority of beauty gurus just wondering if it's worth it. Look at Instagram, right? You have 5 seconds to keep their attention, otherwise they scroll. Think about it. How pathetic is that? You might have something truly life-changing, but unless you do it instantly, they're gone forever. And it's the same with TikTok. And I have tried to do it, but it's just not me. I need more time. A quickie is fun, but not every day. You cannot truly demonstrate expertise in 30 seconds. Now, maybe I'm just old school, but if that is the case, then they can both just fuck right off. Because here's the thing, you have to be yourself, and myself requires more than 10 seconds. Now, this year has been, truly awful, truly, if only you knew. But here's what stopped me from leaving social media. I started this YouTube channel to prove that makeup isn't hard, to help you feel confident in your own skin, and to prove that that spark hasn't faded, that you're still beautiful. Everyone's views are down, but that doesn't mean that your impact is. You are not alone in this. We all hit these walls, but you have to remember why you began. That one comment from someone who finally got it, that's gold. Keep sharing your advice, keep showing up, because somewhere a woman is watching, learning, and feeling better because of you. So don't give up. This dip, it is just a chapter. It is not the end of your story. And that's why I'm still here, hitting record, one video at a time, 16 years later. And if you want to help all of us beauty gurus, as simple as it sounds, liking, commenting, and especially sharing, these are life-changing for an algorithm that is unkind to legacy influencers. And of course, for those of us who aren't selling our souls for 5 minutes of fame. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe. It confuses the algorithm, and I enjoy chaos.